Hi there. So I'm continuing the series on the channel. I don't know if you saw the last video, the SVM one. The first one I didn't have a mic, and I bought something from a local store, and I'm trying to make videos with voiceover. Voiceover now it's a real voice in real time voice. So yeah. A warning, I'm Portuguese, so my English is not the best, but I'm trying to improve it by making these videos, and that's it. Let's start by showing the, the progress that I did, because the last time I was recording, and Xstudio doesn't have the most beautiful um, highlighting, and I didn't notice, but I made a little mistake. I'm dumb, so yeah. So let's start by CMake this, and let's see it. I think I have CMake on this machine. Yes, I have. So he compiled it. Let's build it. Can I make? Yes, I can. So SVM, and that's it. Now it's working. So it's pushing 35, pushing 34, summing, adding 35. Then this one is for current stack. I have to add a little uh, statement that shows the current instruction. So yeah, like an example would be current stack, and then push at the beginning. Then it will explicitly say that I'm pushing 35. It's easier to the human. So I'm pushing 35, pushing 34, summing them, pushing 69, and then pushing 35. No, 69 is on the stack already. I'm pushing 35, and then minus 34, then it stays pushing 34 again, and then checking if it's equal. If it's equal. Let me open Xstudio from here, because I can't open from I can open it, but then the Xstudio, if I close it from here, it becomes unusable, the OS, because you can't do anything, because the clipboard is kinda buggy right now. That's the conclusion that I have, but yeah. So let's go to File, Open Project, and open SVM. Open. Now that's it. So let's start by going to main.c, and that's it. The program is this one. You can see it. It's push 35 to the stack, then push 34 plus. This takes the two last numbers on the stack and plus operation, sums it. Then I push 35 and remove it from this one. So this one became 69. Then I push 35, and then minus becomes 34. Then I sum 34, I push 34 again, and then when I do equal, it consumes the two 34, this one, and becomes 1. So this is the current state of the machine. So I can start making another thing. Let's try to make a program that jumps, counts to 10. No, counts to 10 now. Yeah, let's add jumps. I have jump in here. Let's try to add jumps right now. So my idea is that the jump will have an address and jumps to it, but we need another one that it's a halt, that indicates that the machine is supposed to close if it finds that instruction. So halt, right? And then let's add an halt right here. Halt. I need to define it here. This will be deleted after a while, because let me do it like this. No, I'm doing it another way. Let me remove this shit. Let's rename this to inst, like this, to make it more readable. Currently I'm using push I plus I. An example is that I'm pushing plus I because I can't do plus and plus. This will crash because it has the same name. It's the word that I'm thinking on. So let's just copy this, and then in here I need to add in. Okay, I can't do control left on here for some reason, so yeah, I can't use control left on defines. Let's just copy this, then going to here as well on the interpreter. This is the interpreter. At some point it will be the better way of doing this. This is the command way, like if else. If we could use some switch statements instead of using this. Okay, for now it's good, and that's it. Let's see if it breaks. So I know if I do this, it builds and run it. No, it doesn't run it. So yeah, it works. So that's it. Let's try to now add that statement in front of the current stat in here, so that I can see better if what is the current instruction being printed. So I'm going to do an inst str that takes an int. It takes an int because instruction is an unknown, that is int list, less or more. Portuguese. Okay, I have a little problem with finding the right words to translate, like more or less. More or less is common thing that we say in Portuguese, but I don't know if it's common to use it in English. Inst, let's do this, and now I need to convert it. So let's use a switch statement in here. So I'm going to switch on this, and in case of what is the command? Yeah, let me copy it like this, and just do case and copy it. Let's copy it. This is bad. Yeah, doesn't work that well. Yeah, if I do, yeah, it's buggy. That's what we have. So right now I have to do this and return a string. Yeah, I'm not returning a string in here. Const char. Go up. So let me copy this as well and start copying it here. This one is HALT. Okay. Yeah, I might delete all of it instead of only the. Okay, I'm being stupid now. Push again. Yeah, this is not right. If I do Control left, Shift left to selects everything instead of only selecting this. Yeah, and this one is push. This one is dup. This one is plus. I need to study the Serenity code base because I want to start contributing to the code base, but it has a lot of specific things to Serenity that I really don't understand for now. I didn't have a great look either, so yeah, I need to look into it better. So this is minus, this is equal, and this is jump and jump. Now in here I'm going to put the instruction and put it in here. So I need to do this and put inst to str instruction. So now in all the dump SVMs I need to explicitly say that I'm using this. So I'm dumping here, dump here. In this one is the plus. I need to add better error handling as well, because right now it's telling that it's in a stack underflow. This should halt instead, but yeah, why not? So in here is the minus operation, minus. In here is the inst equal. That's it. Okay, now this one should be inst no op, because it doesn't have an operation. Is no op with only one O, right? Yes, it is. No op with only one O. So let's try to compile it. So make HB as well. So I have an error. I have two things in here. I don't know the name of. Okay, it builds, but it's checking that reaches an end of non-void function. There, yeah, I may have to return something if it not the default one break. I think it's the case where this one default returns unreachable, return unreachable, right? It should be unreachable in my opinion, but we don't know. Let's, yeah, that was the case. So, and that's it. Now we have the current instruction here. So I'm pushing, plus, push, minus, push, equal, and no op. This no op is the final stack. I can even do this where in here I printf saying that is the sex of finish on finish exit stack, maybe, yeah, maybe this one. So this would yeah, this says now that it's the exit stack is this one. Okay, so it returns 1. That is true. If we look it to, yeah, we are checking if the stack is 1 or 2, taking the last two numbers on the stack and checking if it's equal. If it's equal, we put a 1. If not, it's a 0. In this case, we are checking if it's 1. If it isn't 1, it's not true. We can put 69. It's not a 1, it's not true. So yeah, let's commit this. So let's git status. I managed to, oh okay, I'm calling the program. So git status I managed to write it wrong. So main.c git.add -p. Oh, can't use -p. Unrecognized option. Oh, we can do it. Okay, but we know what we added to, so not a problem. So git.add and main c, my next main c, and git.commit. If I do git.commit, oh, pretty cool. So this adds the commit edit message. Oh, that's pretty cool. Actually, adds it in the text editor. But I think we can install Vim on it. We have a port to it. We may check it in another episode. Not right now, but yeah. So in this one is like add inst to str to better understand of the current current instruction and dumping. So yeah, so we can close it in here. So let's git that push. This should push it by itself. Warning, unprotected key. Oh, really? Let me do. I think I can cd into SSH. Yes. I have to su shmod /r777 or not. That's too many. Oh god, I forgot out. It's 6 only, I think, to make it only readable and not writable or accessible by others. Permission 0444. I think it's only 6. I'm not sure. I'm trying it. I'm trying to do it this way. So I did it. Yeah, this one. Oh, it's not this one. Let me Google it in here really fast. Okay, so it's not 6 but 600. Okay, so it's cd I forgot already. So that ssh, yes, ssh, and in here I'm gonna su shmod 600 and then find the file that I want. This one, I think. Okay. Oh, I don't think we have. I don't have to sudo. Oh right, because we have all the permissions already. It doesn't have a password. We add root owners by itself, I think, in Serenity. I'm not sure. Don't take my words as true statements. Okay. So let's try to push now. Git push, and now it should work. Yes, it worked. So if I go into my Kimo on Windows is strange. We can't get out of Kimo space with the mouse if we don't Control Alt G. So it's stupid to be here. So let's go into laziness. The dash fuck off. github.com/laziness mind. So in here, let's see. Yes, it worked, right? So yeah, let's continue. So now I want to do another thing. I want to make the jump one, this one. I want to jump from like if it's not equal to 1, jump to, else push another number. Okay, so Let's add new instructions, right? So how I'm going to do this? So the jump should accept um, oh, I didn't have the alt one. Yeah, so I need to alt as well. Alt doesn't need any operand, it's 0, so this should translate to type equals inst alt, and the op equals 0. Okay, this will be changed. I think I mentioned this already, but this will change to being read from a file, so I don't really need this, but for now that's what we have. So jump equals type I need an operand. I need an operand that is the address of the right. If I'm at we start the program at 0, then we keep adding instructions. When we get to, I don't know, like 7, we have an instruction that says that we should be go to 0 again. So I'm going to put the pointer, the current IP, in this case will be I on the for loop. I'm going to set I to 0 again, and then the condition will say, okay, so I is not less than the current size of the program, so I'm going to start up again. So that's the way that I'm going to do this. So the instruction is inst jump, and the operand op equals the address addr. Okay, let's compile this to be sure if yeah, it's compiling. So now in this one I put equal, so now I'm going to jump to let's say 1, so this should jump to here, right? So I'm done. So this should do this and do this, so this goes to 1 and should loop in the continuously. So yeah, I already added it there. So this is a print statement. Let's go to here. I'm going to copy it. I don't I don't need to write everything from scratch. Let's do JMP. Let's say we need at least 1, because we are going to consume the last element, or not. No, we are not consuming anything in this case. The only thing that we are going to do is check the set the current I to the pointer. So in this case is I equals program I dot op, and that's it. So I will be set to 1. We don't need to change the stack at all. In here we just have to do JMP, right? So let's make that be okay. We have an error, so instead expected expression before equal token define jump to okay, Java reflexes. Okay, you don't need an equal there. Yeah, so let's remove it, and that's it. So now let's check SVM stack under full for some reason. So jump should go to 1. Oh right, you can see the problem here. So it's going to 1, it's pushing 34, right? Okay, so I'm jumping to 1. This is strange. I mean this one, so I'm going to jump to this. That is 34. So I'm going to do plus. I have 1 on the stack already, right? Yes, I have 1. Okay, now I can see the problem, because I'm going to here, and then I have 1 on the stack. So the problem here is that if I have 1 on the stack, they will consume this one. Then it becomes only 35. Then I pause it, yeah, it becomes only 1. Then I push another one. So in minus I should have 2 again. Why the fuck it broke? Equal 1, jump to 1, then I pause it. Okay, so is it? Oh, okay, I know the reason. It's incrementing already, so I need, in this case, I need to come in here and do -1. I think it's the case. I need to do it like this. Will it work? It doesn't seem like it, right? Okay, it broke. Seriously? Did it broke? SH. Oh, it broke. Okay, it broke for some reason. So make HP and then SVM. Okay, that's it, and it's looping, so I can remove it, and there it is. Oh, -1. Why it's becoming -1? I don't know. It's in it's 1, so -1 becomes -1. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, I closed the terminal already. Oh, fuck. SVM, so add SVM. So let's try to catch the beginning of the stack. I didn't catch it. The buffer is too slow. So oh, at some point the current stack became 0 because it's not equal, and then I pause it, right, and then it becomes -1. I don't know why, but it becomes -1. So yeah, but that's the problem with the fact that I'm not doing the program in the right way. So yeah, that's it, and let's commit these changes too. I wish I had the git hot, but oh, I closed it again. Why? So git stats. I have to add some areas as well. It HP. Why it doesn't work? I recognized patch. Yeah, it may doesn't work on Serenity, but yeah. Git add main.c and git commit. Let me do the sham because I don't need to open a text editor for it. So in here we added support to jump conditions. So add support to jump instruction. So yeah, that's it. And git push again. Let's push it. Push it. Yes, so now let's try to make a program that counts to 10, right? So what do we need? We need something that so first we need to push 0. So push 0 into the stack. Holy crap. So push 0. So we have 0 on the stack. then we push 1, so we have 0 1. Then we check. Oh no, now we need to dupe it, so this became 0 1 1. Then we push 10, right? I don't know if you are try imagining it on your head, but this becomes like this. So now we need an instruction to check if it's less than 10. That will consume 2 elements on the stack. If we we need to dupe it before. So we dupe 1, so that 1 is never going to be consumed, right? So this will be consumed, and then so this becomes LT. If it's less, so if 1 is less than 10, this should become 0 1 1. This 1 is the true statement, right? So this 1 is equal to true. Then we need to jump to another one if not equal. How I'm going to do this, I don't know. So jump if, maybe jump if, or jump if jump equal only jumps to if not equal, or JNEQ. So this is another, yeah, this is a better name. So jump NEQ, so jump not equal. So if it only jumps to a certain address if it's not equal, so the last element needs to be 1. If not, it's going to the address specified. If it's equal to 1, it continues the loop. So in this case, I don't know, we can't the address of it, so this will consume if it's true. So this became 0 1 only, so this becomes to this stack again. So then we should so we have 0 1. We need to push another one, right? So we need to push 1, right? So this becomes 0 1 1. Then plus, yeah, plus this becomes 0 2. Oh right, I need to dupe it first, right? So because yeah, so if I don't do it, this becomes 2 and 1 will not be stacked. Yeah, I may need to dupe the confront stack of it, so I need to dupe. This becomes 0 1 1, then I push 1, this becomes 0 1 1 1, then becomes 0 1 2, and then jump to dupe again, right? So now I need to JMP to this one. This is 0 1 2, right? And after that, HALT. I think we didn't add HALT yet, so if we if we compile this should what am I doing? Is that I don't need even, yeah, we don't have LT, and HALT is not being to undeclared here, not in a function. Yeah, it suggests, yeah, this one as well. So shall not equal is not implemented yet. So let's start by removing this that I didn't remove. So inst jump not equal, and LT, so this LT less than. Okay, so in this case we are going to, oh, we also need to remove this eyes from it, so define jump not equal, we have an address or as well, it's the same thing as the one above it, but how it works is different, so yeah, equals inst they're not equal, the OP equals address, and the LT define LT equals inst LT, the OP equals 0 as well, because we don't need the OP. And now in here let me just copy this, copy it, so copy it, so this being jump not equal and LT jump not equal and LT less than. Let's implement as well the HALT instruction, because if we don't have the HALT instruction the program will cry. So if it's equal to inst.halt, so this will be returning, so print f, no, debug SVM, the dump SVM, take a pointer to it, so SVM and inst halt, right, and then break the loop. That's simple. So by breaking the loop the program is exit, and yes, that's it. So now we need this one as well, and now in this one we have to do jump not equal. So in this case is if let me see, we need a top element. I have an example with the top element. Yes, I have. It's here, the top one. So the top element, if top not equal to 1, then the program will go to, so it will do this program at i.op, right? So if the top element is not a 1, a true element, it goes to the specified address. And now less than should be like this, right? And then less than, I feel that I should commit every single one. I'm adding 2 instructions. I'm going to commit 3 instructions because I'm not doing it one by one. So yeah, so let's do it by doing, if I need to stack, takes this 2, removes the IP, and then check, in this case this is the below from below top, and this is top. So I'm going to check if below top is less than top, right? If so, do this, else do that. So this is a jump LT. Did I jump? Yes, I didn't update it in here. Remove this one, and that should work, I think. Let's see. Make Oh, it has an error. Oh, I didn't have the instruction in here. And dupe. Oh, I don't have a dupe one. What a thing. So dupe should be like this. Type equals inst dupe, and the OP should be 0. And this one, it's going to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to 9. So the jump goes to 9, right? Then it halts. Let's see if this counts to 10. Making it. Okay, what is doing it? So suggest parentheses around assignment as a truth value. Oh, okay. I'm adding. I'm assigning it instead of comparing it. Yeah, this needs another one. Another plus. Oh, fine. Let's run it. Oh, it's not working. Oh, it's not working. It's not working at all. So the plus, it's going 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I'm doing something wrong in here. I don't know what. Let me try to check it. So push 0, 1. Duplicate it. Then push 10. Then check. Do I need to duplicate it in here? So I push 1. Then plus. Then dupe. I think this is a better way of doing it. Let's try again. Oh, nope, now it's only 2's. Oh, push 0, push 1, duplicate it. Then check if this is less than this. Let me alt in here just to check if the stack is right. I need to add a debug mode as well, so we're going to add that. So we push 0, push 1, 1, 1, then we check if these two are right. It becomes 1, right, then it stops. Yeah, so let me alt on here instead. So if I on here alt, okay, so 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, then compare it. 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1. No, this is pushing 1. Yes, and then plus it. So 1, 2. Then duplicates it. Okay, let's not remove this one and check if it works. Make. Nope, it's not working. What the hell? What the hell? Give me a minute, guys, so I can think this without you spending a lot of time. So I got it finally after 10 minutes. Stupid bug. A thing that I forgot is that jump not equal should consume the element, the last element, and I wasn't consuming it. I was only getting it but not consuming. Yeah, this consumes the value because in the next iteration it takes the current value and replaces it. So it's the same thing of popping it. So yeah, I need to pop as well. Although no, I don't need the instruction to pop, I think. But yeah, so as you can see, it counted. So I'm going to make and SVM down. It counted to 10, as you can see. So it's counting to 10, and that's it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, and it's working. So it's pushing, duping, pushing less than, then duplicates it, push it, pause it, jump again, and loop again. So it's a simple program. In the next one, I think I'm going to translate these two files, so we don't need to write the programs in an array, and it's way better. Or I'm thinking on adding debug functions like print and something that it will be better than printing the whole stack every single time. So if I want to see the value that I want, I just print it, dupe it, print it, dupe it, print it. So it's way better than printing the whole stack. So yep, let's commit the changes and finish the video. So git.admin.c, and this one will be a big commit, so git commit, and in this one I'm going to let's do instructions. So lt alt and jump not equal. Holy crap, that's so alt break the program and return the current state jump not equal jump to address if the current state if the top element isn't 1, this means true. Sorry guys. Okay, let's continue. Someone called me and my phone is like a fucking screamer, and yeah, so we are going to otherwise 10. So take top element and below top element and check if is less than, then it's with an A. So that's it. Commit message. So now git push and finish the video. So yeah, that's it. Let's check if it's on my repo, if it all works right. I keep forgetting that Chemo needs to, if I click on Chemo, then on top we can see that Control Alt G. On Linux we don't need to Control Alt G, we can just move the mouse. In here I keep trying to, but remember that I need to press Control Alt G. So yeah, in here we can see, let's update this, and yeah, instruction less than alt and not equal. So yeah, it's working, and you can try it on your computer. So yeah, thanks a lot, and we see you in the next one. Bye bye.